In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar designed especially for group collaboration. This is a fantastic tool to coordinate activities, events, and appointments all in one shared space, making it easier than ever to stay organized with your group. Let's begin by navigating to the Google Calendar website. Simply open your browser and type Google Calendar into your search bar, and it should be the first option to appear. Once you're on the Google Calendar main page, you'll want to make sure you're signed in. If you aren't already, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account details. Input your email and password and you'll soon be ready to create your group calendar. Once you're logged into your Google account and on the Google Calendar page, your next step is to locate the option to create a new calendar. This option is found by clicking the plus icon, which you'll find on the left-hand side under Other Calendars. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Create New Calendar. At this point, you'll arrive on a new page where you need to fill out some basic details about your new calendar. First, enter a name that clearly represents what the group calendar will be used for. Following the name, there's a section for a description. In this field, you can provide more details about the calendar's purpose so everyone using it is on the same page. Another crucial detail to set is the time zone. This ensures that all events are accurately displayed according to your local time. Adjust the time zone accordingly, and once everything is filled in, click Create Calendar to tap into the possibilities of organized group scheduling. Now let's move on to sharing this calendar with your group. Go back to the left-hand side of the calendar page where your newly created calendar should now be listed. Click on it to access the settings page where you'll choose Add People in Groups. Input the emails or names of everyone in your group you'd like to share the calendar with. Make sure to set appropriate permissions for each member. You can decide if they can only view events or have the editing rights to make changes. Once you've added everyone and set their permissions, click Send to notify them about their invitation to the calendar. Remember, keeping your group calendar distinct from your personal ones can prevent confusion. Utilize Google Calendar's color coding feature to assign a specific color to your group calendar, helping it stand out among your other calendars. By following these steps, you now have a comprehensive shared Google Calendar for your group to keep everyone organized and on track. Thanks for joining me today, and happy scheduling.